While office environments are generally considered low risk compared to industrial or manufacturing settings, some critical workplace safety basics should be addressed. The following are some of the biggest workplace safety objectives in an office environment. One is ergonomics. Poor ergonomic setups can lead to musculoskeletal disorders and repetitive strain injuries. Issues like poorly designed workstations, uncomfortable chairs, improper keyboard and mouse placement, and inadequate lighting can contribute to physical discomfort and long-term health problems. Providing ergonomic furniture, adjustable equipment, and promoting proper posture and regular breaks can help mitigate these concerns. 2. Slips, trips, and falls. These are common office hazards from wet floors, loose cables, cluttered walkways, uneven surfaces, or inadequate lighting. Employers should ensure floors are clean and dry, cables are correctly secured, walkways are clear, and stairs are well maintained. Proper signage and regular housekeeping practices are essential for preventing accidents. 3. Electrical safety. Electrical hazards can include faulty wiring, overloaded outlets, exposed cables, or improper use of electrical equipment. Employers should regularly inspect and maintain electrical systems, encourage safe practices for plugging in and unplugging devices, and ensure employees are trained in electrical safety procedures. 4. Fire safety. Office fires can be caused by electrical malfunctions, overheating equipment, improper storage of flammable materials, or human error. Adequate fire prevention measures should include functioning fire alarms, accessible fire extinguishers, clearly marked escape routes, and regular fire drills. Employees should be trained in fire safety procedures and emergency protocols. 5. Indoor air quality. Poor air quality can result from inadequate ventilation, the presence of allergens, dust, or toxic substances, or improper cleaning practices. Regular maintenance of HVAC systems, proper ventilation, frequent cleaning, and prompt resolution of any water leaks or mold issues can help maintain a good indoor air quality. 6. Psychological well-being. Workplace safety concerns extend beyond physical hazards. Psychological well-being is equally important. Addressing excessive workloads, unrealistic deadlines, lack of support, bullying, and harassment is crucial for maintaining a healthy work environment. Employers should promote a positive work culture, provide resources for stress management, and encourage open communication. 7. Emergency preparedness. Office environments should have well-defined emergency procedures, including evacuation plans, first aid kits, and designated personnel trained in CPR and basic first aid. Employees should be familiar with emergency protocols and know the location of emergency exits and assembly points. It is vital for employers to conduct regular risk assessments, provide adequate training, and foster a culture of safety awareness to mitigate workplace safety concerns in an office environment. If you're looking for ways to improve workplace safety or increase employee engagement and organizational performance, then take the Workforce Alchemy Challenge at workforcealchemy.com. Apply to participate in the challenge. Gain expert knowledge for free and earn up to $1,000 worth of tools to help your business or department run better and faster without unnecessary drama or expense.